Today we're checking back in with Ethereum's ETH coin, performing some technical analysis and making some predictions on where we can expect to see Ethereum go in the near future. Let's get into it. Welcome back into Ethereum's ETH coin chart, guys. If you'd like to buy ETH or want some free Bitcoin, there are a couple of links down in the description of today's video. And as you can see, we are officially in crypto winter, in my opinion. We are seeing big drops of major coins such as Ethereum's ETH coin, right now sitting at a value of $1,194. Yesterday we got to a low on the 15th of June and that was $1,012. So you can certainly see we are dipping, and interestingly enough, we have now fallen back into this main sort of channel that we had in place previously. So you can see that was from sort of the start of the decline in November all the way through to where we are currently sitting at now. So realistically, all in all, it's looking like that downwards trend is certainly going to continue. And as I've mentioned in a past few of my videos, crypto is cyclical by nature. So this is certainly not a surprise at all for long-term crypto investors. They understand that this is the nature of the crypto market, with drops of up to 90% potentially. So what does that mean for Ethereum? Well, Ethereum's high was a value of $4,867. So if it dropped 90%, we're talking values as low as $480 odd, which is pretty crazy. But when you take a look at the overall grand scheme of things, I'm going to put a little line in place for you. And the line is basically going to be on that exact mark where we've got the $480. So that's 482 right there. That is not far away when you put things in context. In my opinion, when we start getting to those levels, that is when we are genuinely going to see a reversal starting to occur. But until that point in time, I think we are going to be feeling the pain and continue obviously moving down towards that point. And you can certainly see there is a bit of panic with these big volumes, big red days, and of course, because we fell back into this trend, that really accentuated that. Let's take a quick look at a few other indicators as well. First and foremost, the RSI. We are way oversold now. We got down to a low of 21.36 on the RSI. We're currently only at 22.45. As we zoom out, this happens, but not regularly. And when it does happen, obviously we are in a bit of a pain point, and we certainly are, and it's looking like we're going to be stuck on the at least bottom half of this thing for a while. It is not looking fantastic, but it is showing oversold, and in my opinion, that's why we did see a little bit of a bounce over the past few days. It's not really a bounce, it's more of a flatten out, but as we all know, this is typically one of those little flag patterns that will form itself, a bit like so, you know, and then it will just keep collapsing, and we'll be collapsing down to the support point. So of course, this $480 odd mark is going to be the target in my opinion. MACD, this will be accentuating things as well. Of course, we saw the death cross form itself, and that was on the 11th of June, and that was when the 12-day EMA crossed below the 26-day EMA. That is a big signal across many cryptocurrencies, and what's showing us is we're continuing the downward trend. Our green period, although it was, you know, decent in length, it was shallow. And you can see the green period, we still actually deteriorated in value. Now we're really going to suffer after a confirmation of a reversal, and of course we are breaking those key points of support back into that channel as well. So really scary stuff. What's my price prediction? Well, I think it's quite obvious. I think we're going down to $480. So if I was looking to invest in Ethereum, I would be watching and waiting very carefully. That wraps up today's analysis of Ethereum's ETH coin, guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts down in the comment section below. Of course, if you did enjoy today's video, make sure you do leave a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of this sort of content, hit subscribe and turn on those bell notifications. I'll leave it there for today, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. I'll see you next time. Cheers.